up, everybody? Thanks for clicking on today's video. We're here at Norris Penrose Event Center for the Colorado Pitbike Series race. I already did practice. I didn't have the GoPro charged, so you're not going to see that. Maybe my dad got a clip or two, but I'm just heading into the stadium to watch the final practices. Let's just get straight into the GoPro footage of, I think, race one. All right, so the big surprise, I got a new component from Motoclops. I got the BAC 8000, so I've got the stock battery. My bike's pretty fast now, and I'm very excited and grateful. Alright, so I did my first race. I actually didn't get it on GoPro, but you've probably seen the clip my dad got. It's decent. I got a really good start since I have the BAC 8000. But yeah, I got a really good start, and then got past in the first couple corners. I really overshot the first berm, so I really overshot that. I had to make up for that. I think I ended fourth, so that was good. I'll try to get this next one on GoPro, but yeah, that was a good race, and I'm excited for the next one. All right, we're on the line for race two. Have some fun.
He's trying to get it in speed mode.
Whoa, that was gnarly. Just got done with that last race of the day. That felt good. That guy tipped over in the corner, but I hope he's okay. He should be fine. But yeah, a good race. I think I went 4-3, so that was a fun weekend here at the Colorado Pitbike Series. If I go get a trophy, I'll show you guys. But yeah, sick weekend. The Ron's working great. Actually pulled a decent start. Not as good as last time, but it was decent. Going to get the trophies. I think I earned them, so let's check it out. Thank you.